Have you wondered why your skin doesn't glow, no matter how many products you try? Maybe it's because you're not giving your skin what it actually needs. Stay with us, your skin deserves it. Your skin faces pollution, stress, sun exposure, and harsh products every day. Over time, this can lead to dullness, breakouts, and premature aging. That's why face masks are not just a luxury, they're a smart step in your skincare routine. They help detoxify, hydrate, and repair your skin, giving it the glow and strength it deserves. 5 things for a fresh and natural facial skin. 1. Drink enough water. Without water, the skin becomes dull and dry. Water purifies the skin from toxins and gives a natural glow. Tip: start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon drops. 2. C. Good sleep. Lack of sleep leads to dark circles and tired skin. During sleep, the body repairs damaged cells. Try to sleep 7-8 hours daily regularly. 3. Eat foods rich in vitamins C and E, such as oranges, strawberries, walnuts, and avocados. These vitamins stimulate collagen production and fight wrinkles. 4. Use honey as a natural mask. Honey has antibacterial properties and moisturizes the skin. Apply a thin layer for 15 minutes twice a week. 5. Avoid touching your face too much. It causes the spread of bacteria and the appearance of pimples. Always wash your hands and do not touch your face unnecessarily. Try once today and see the difference within a week. Now, let's talk about 10 natural skincare tips, tailored to every skin type, that can completely transform your face. Natural face recipes according to skin type. 1. For oily skin prone to acne, honey and cinnamon mask. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, teaspoon of cinnamon. Usage method: mix the ingredients and apply to the face for 10-15 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. Benefit: antibacterial, reduces inflammation, gradually alleviates acne. 2. For acne-prone skin with blackheads, use a mixture of aloe vera gel and a few drops of tea tree oil. Apply it at night and wash your face in the morning. This helps reduce inflammation, open pores, and prevent breakouts. Additional tip: avoid harsh exfoliants, they make it worse. 3. For skin with blackheads only, lemon and egg white mask. Ingredients: egg white, drops of lemon juice. How to use: apply the mixture to the nose or affected areas and leave it until it dries, then gently remove it. Benefits: tightens pores, removes blackheads, and provides instant brightness. Note: not recommended for sensitive skin. 4. For sensitive skin that reacts to makeup or skincare products, make a soothing face mask from oatmeal and yogurt. Leave it on for 10 minutes. It's redness and protects your skin barrier. Additional tip: rinse your face with cold chamomile tea for extra soothing. 5. Another mask for sensitive skin, cucumber and yogurt mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of cucumber juice or mashed cucumber. How to use: apply the mixture to the skin for 10-15 minutes, then wash it off gently. Benefit: soothes redness, calms inflammation, very suitable for skin sensitive to commercial products. 6. For dry and flaky skin, massage your skin with a few drops of argan oil or sweet almond oil before bedtime. These oils are rich in vitamin E and help retain moisture throughout the night. Don't forget to hydrate your body. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 7. Another mask for dry and dull skin, avocado and honey mask. Ingredients: half a mashed avocado, 1 teaspoon of honey. How to use: apply the mask to the entire face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water. Benefit: Nourishes and deeply moisturizes the skin, rich in vitamins. 8. For mixed skin, oily in the T-zone and dry on the rest of the face. Banana and honey mask. Ingredients: half a ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of honey. Method of use: apply to the entire face for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Benefit: moisturizes dry areas and gently cleans oily ones, balancing the skin. 9. Another recipe for normal or mixed skin. Use a weekly mask of green clay mixed with rose water. This mask balances oils, tightens pores, and gives you a feeling of freshness and cleanliness. Bonus: follow it with rosehip oil serum for smooth and radiant skin. 10. For dull or tired skin, make a natural face scrub using honey, sugar, and lemon juice. Gently massage your skin for 1 or 2 minutes once or twice a week. This removes dead skin and instantly enhances your freshness. Professional tip: always use sunscreen after using lemon. Radiant skin is not just about beauty. It's about health, confidence, and self-care. So choose what suits your skin type, stay consistent, and your skin will thank you.